Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall EVgo receipt emails from account beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the EVgo website. Log into your EVgo account with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is often found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the account settings option to access your account details. Look for the Email Preferences or Notification Settings section. Here, you will see various options related to your email notifications. Find the setting related to receipt emails. It may be labeled as receipt emails, transaction notifications, or something similar. Once located, uncheck or toggle off the receipt email option. After making your selection, scroll down or look for a Save button. Click on the Save button to confirm your changes. A confirmation message may appear, indicating your preferences have been updated. If needed, log out of your account to complete the process. You have now successfully uninstalled receipt emails from your EVgo account. Check your email preferences periodically to ensure no unwanted emails are received in the future. This concludes the steps to remove EVgo receipt emails from your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.